The hell? Someone's shoe. Not sure how that got there. Probably just a camping site. Not much around here, which is disappointing. I'd like to capture like maybe a deer, or at least something interesting. There's a nice stream. Nothing too special. But Milk Lake. I heard that you could buy rentals for jet skis out in the lake. Maybe next vlog I could try to rent one and show off what that's like here. Hey! This is the person. Hey! The fuck? Okay, dude. It's actually starting to freak me out a bit. I'm pretty sure I caught that one. There was like there's a man and like a coat or something. I don't know. He went up this way. I don't know where the hell he went. Sorry for my language. I'm not usually like this. I'm just I get paranoid easily, especially when you're in the woods alone and there's a creepy man. I'm not sure. Hey, hold up. The hell are you doing? You okay? You lost? I don't know if I want to get close to him. What you doing? Okay, this guy's being weird. I don't know what the hell he's up to. Hey. Shit, I don't like this. So I'm back. I don't know what to say right now. I just got my phone. I accidentally dropped it. For you guys wondering, I have no idea what that was. I thought it was just like a squirrel at first. And then yeah, I don't know. Like you saw, I started walking around, and then this weird guy in a hoodie showed up. He started chasing me. He chased me down, all the way down there, in that lake. Luckily though, I was able to get away from him. I have no idea where he is now, but I think I'm gonna go home. I know I was planning on staying the night here, but after that, I'm just gonna cancel it. If you guys want me to come back here, then I'll probably try next time. Make sure to leave a like down below, and make sure to subscribe and do all that. And yeah.